What in the redneck hell are you doing, son?
Don't do that.
As most of you already know, I have a pit floor to finish up, and I thought I'd make it as fun as I can and just try some different types of concrete mixing options. So I just have standard Quikrete mix. It says to mix 2 liters per 60-pound bag. I'm feeling pretty lucky, so I'm gonna do 2 bags to start off with. I'm gonna put them in my barrel, and I'm just gonna take my tilt function on the tractor, rock the concrete back and forth to mix it. Let's see how it works. I put my water in first, then I dump my concrete in, make sure this is all cleaned off, and let's put the lid on and see how this thing mixes up. Okay, so that was about 10 cycles. Let's just kind of take a peek at it. This is the first one. Let's see if it needs more or less water. Remember, we're experimenting. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional. This is for fun. Enjoy. Okay, so the concrete's still dry. It wasn't moving with the water. I'm gonna just help it out a little bit with the shovel. Let's see if that'll get it started. What do you think? Another 10 just to see how it's going? Yeah. Maybe that's 10, I don't know. Let's just see how it's going. Still some dry spots. Possibly the way that we get it loaded in the first place. I might need to change that up. Let's apply what we've learned to the second batch of 2 bags. And let's see if we can get this right the first time. This time I'm gonna mix 1 bag a little bit with the shovel, put the next one, and then we'll try. Let's give it 20 tilts, real extreme ones this time. Oh, that's a lot more soupy. Whoa, way too soupy. I'm gonna add another bag to that. I thought that was just another 2 gallons, but too much water. And I kind of like that 3-bag mix, so I'm gonna do a half of a 5-gallon bucket with 3 bags. And let's utilize the strength of having a tractor and a big barrel. I'm going to do a little additional cheating to the top layers of this and add a little flow control to the water that I'm going to mix in. I know that I'm probably doing it all wrong. Probably just doing it wrong. Let's go for round 3, 3 bags. That was almost a perfect mix. Like, this is what I would have wanted to start with for sure for that beginning batch. It's good and wet, but not too wet. There's no floaty water. It looks spreadable. So 3 bags, half a 5-gallon bucket, and half a bag of flow control. That was very nice. We've kind of got our mix perfected. Everything's going pretty good. We're about to find out if 20 60-pound bags was enough. Am I a no-count loser again after ordering like 2 yards too much? Well, minus the floor that was supposed to be down here? We're about to find out. Okay, it's been a while since we got a status update on the floor, and all my little helpers, the little camera crew, they had to go in and go to bed. I was running out of space in this hole, so I feel like it's really level. You know, there's nowhere to go in here. You just work yourself into a corner, and when you're by yourself, there's no one to hand you stuff and stuff, so I had to climb the walls to get out at the end. I raised the floor level just a little bit to be able to get concrete up on top of the old concrete and have it kind of smooth out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back down there and finish this corner where my feet had to be. Let you guys go down and take a look and see what you think. This is that corner I was talking about. Okay, so this has been mixed for about 24 hours now. The next day, this makes me feel so much better. Check this out. Oh, that wall, solid floor, that stuff together. Oh, makes me feel a lot better. A couple of things. This is where I had to kind of get myself in a corner, and you know, there's nowhere else to go. I'm an amateur. I don't have extra tools to be able to have something long to be able to get down here and finish this. So this is a little rough. One other thing I did was set this bucket down in here for my sump pump to go. Kind of got a low spot right there for it to drain in. I'll probably do a little more work with some mortar to kind of clean it up, make it look good. I was a little too afraid to put a ladder back down in here to go and do final troweling, so I didn't get to do a final trowel. This end may be a little bit higher. That'll allow any water to roll down here, hit the low spot, and be sucked up and out the back wall. So I'm gonna wrap up this video for the floor. It's pretty much done. I might show some touching up on it as I'm touching up cracks in the wall. I might come back and hit this stuff for touch up, but the floor came out wonderful. I'm super happy. I'll probably end up coming back to set my rails for the X-frame in here. Okay, I haven't bought the metal for this yet, but I just wanted to give you all a look at what is going to be kind of happening. I think I'm going to be doing angle iron like this, but probably about like this thick, like a 2x3. This will probably be laying flat like that. I'll just kind of show you how flat the floor got. Pretty good. There's that guy. I did recess it down here for water flow to be able to go in there. So a slight slope. I'll be coming back in here and bonding this down with some thin set. This will make sure that the rollers can have a displaced weight. So our pounds per square inch on the concrete will be reduced significantly. I'm probably going to use 5-inch C-channel heavy gauge. So I will be standing at least 5 inches taller underneath here. So these are the ideas I'm having. Hopefully you're enjoying the content. We're on the road to redemption. The next video you'll be seeing, we'll probably finish up patching up those holes as well as taking care of any surface imperfections. Comment what you think about my design. I appreciate your support. Stay on the journey with us. We'll see you on the next video.
Today is the day I'm making a change, building